Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
Daddy forget famous and girl, yeah. Gaza, real Gaza. I follow them. And
yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, yes, bad mind is active, but for every action, there is a reaction. And see the bad mind suffer right now. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently, Sir P take to him platform for share what him claim was a secret attempt from Popcaan, viewers and subscribers. And then Popcaan released a track titled Friends Like These that had the entire media speculating, viewers and subscribers. Now the teacher post a post and tag Popcaan tonight, and Popcaan reposted the post. Unity above all, viewers and subscribers. And if you listen to the track Friends Like These, in the opening statements of the song, Popcaan say you have to pay homage. Homage to who? Him never say pay respects to him parents. And the producers or engineers him attack at the Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. The only artist with a platform who believes that Popcaan, you had the talent too. Where people that want to listen to the type of music we have put out, forward youth, a teacher alone say that. And then Sir P gonna make it look like say, oh, because of one vehicle, the teacher decides say, oh, may I get bad mind Popcaan. At no point in time in dancehall history has any artist surpassed the dominance of Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel don't need to bad mind nobody in a dancehall music. I don't know what I try to say. But see the now viewers and subscribers, recently we see a post from the very same Sir P. I say his identity has been uncovered and now his spouse feel uneasy and he have to go ease off of the platform. Me not believe him. Maybe his identity has been uncovered, but me not believe the entire story, because like many of his story, it is always based upon fiction with a little sprinkling of truth, but mostly fiction. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is true that being in his line of occupation, him not supposed to depend on the media or talk about certain subject matter, especially things we are in him theme work. Him is a JDF soldier for those who don't know. You know what I mean? Him like, let's say farmer, but him is currently one. Now, viewers and subscribers, we did point this out. Say, what you know? Leave certain situations alone. People already are gravitate to the thing and watch where you put out certain things, but you make it personal. You clearly have a personal agenda against Vybz Kartel and dancehall music. It is clear. No people that say no, him not talk about the effects of dancehall music and certain artists. No, him go out time way for paint a certain picture of Vybz Kartel. And him do it recently and him uncover him true thoughts. Him says because the teacher mentioned when mentioned. If that's not a personal agenda, then what is a personal agenda? Now, someone did also say him can't be considered as someone who is farming, reaping and plowing information, because you have to be someone who is involved in something and then talk about it for you to be considered as such. Well, being a member of the JDF and speaking about JDF matters, then what you call him now? What is the definition for someone who does that? Oh, good time to think about it. The fact of the matter is, it's when people get up and bad mind other individuals. If you always remember this, we are all on the earth, and the same thoughts and energies that you put out there for people, you have to remember, we are all on the earth. These same energies will return back to you. So all them people that talk about, oh, teacher for stay away, them for this and them for that. Remember, you are on the earth living as well. Don't send out negative thoughts to people. Don't do it. I bet you try something so people can, you know what I mean, angle the matter the correct way than you there place and send out negative thoughts and attack negative things about an individual, especially when you have no proof of your statements. You continue to say hearsay, you hearsay, man tell you say, people tell you say, peer tell you say. Tell you say what, you know say hearsay can't use a quote. Peer tell you say hearsay this. You hear too much things, you never hearsay enough you talk about them things up on the media. You know, remember your contract where you sign when you go to work. When you do your training for much months, you know, remember the contract say, you do not disclose this information with nobody. You know that? We let acknowledge we can Google. We never do the training, but we Google it and I saw it say, so you will do the training, should I didn't know. Unity above all viewers and subscribers. Them a try for, and a matter of fact, me notice the day when the video put out was the day when the album dropped. I try to sabotage the teacher's album, it never work. What you do? Dancehall, you make an attempt at no? Not an attempt on Popcaan. This is an attempt on dancehall music. That's how me say. You try to destabilize dancehall music. Have dancehall artists, a dancehall artists, and then talk about the benefit and for the benefit and upliftment. Of upliftment of who? When you talk them things, they who it benefit and who it uplift. But not say who it benefit and uplift. Your plan was for have Popcaan and pre-Vybz Kartel. You're wrong. Loyalty above all. These speculations and these things we are talking about. Imagine you tell me say a situation take place with me. And I ask me if me remember. When me know that situation did not occur. You feel like you're smart. Say Popcaan that's you know Popcaan that's your favor. In the comment section, viewers and subscribers, tell me who Popcaan is the same favor. I'm going to talk about if me remember a situation that did not occur. Of course, Popcaan remember because that situation did not happen. This is just you going to your platform and I say, what you know, I'm going to talk some things. Because some people are going to hear. So we're going to make some mention and make some statements. See it now we hear, you say, what you know, you have to go stop make these statements, you have to go stop talking about what you are talking about because that's become very what? Consequential. The consequences. Now as I myself viewers and subscribers, the situation, I don't really believe it is as serious as I make it sound. You know what I mean? Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Not follow up anything. I don't know what I'm talking about it. Would that make him ray? But we know, we see where I'm deal in. You know what I mean? And what I'm dealing is in fiction and putting fiction on people's name. You can't do that. I bet you talk about a matter that is in the media that's already taken place. So we could have, only thing we could have said is that you are discussing something that is public knowledge. But you have to make up things and I tell people, say, so things go. See, you said this up and nobody don't know. So what you're saying, you say Popcaan might not remember and this is a secret. You don't do anything then. Don't do that. Don't do that. People already are gravitate to you for the things that we either talked about before. What is for? I think the popularity get to your brain. You know what I feel like happening? The training never kick in at this moment in time. You know training kick in? Social media training kick in point. You start to feel like a celebrity in your own right. You start to go out of your way like you feel like say you have a certain newfound power where you can say certain things about people and people know have to cower before you and nothing like that. But the media is people listen to you because they feel entertained. And then listen and then move right on. They feel like people have what you say as facts. It's just a story being presented. And because the story is being presented, people listen. And not everybody listen. Some people just see the way I talk about and say, you see it, you do it again. Telling fictional stories on individuals. I like that style. I want a style I never like. You know what I mean? We had no problems with the way I talk about. Nobody really cared. But the fact that you go out of your way to try destabilize dancehall music. We'd have to show you say no, dancehall is unified. Popcaan post a teacher album, he says support the culture. He never just says support the person who gave me my start when I say mentor. Why? Him say support the culture and put him post both Buju and Vybz Kartel album. And him say support the culture. Because what? Achievements for these artists and their album, the whole heap for the culture. From the music to the cuisine to the people that live here, that is the culture. You feel like say people just fly come up on the beach. Notice the tourists them feel that ways them can't come party with you and link up at the bar them and circle the whole globe and do what them normally do. Because them fall for the culture, they don't just fall for the sun and the beach. Not just that. As a matter of fact, all Caribbean islands that are situated at this side of the Antilles, we basically have some of the same shores. Basically. Talk the truth. We basically have some of the same shores. Same white sand, same turquoise water, or the same something. So you can go anywhere in the Caribbean and go see. But you can't go anywhere in the Caribbean and get the Jamaican experience. You have to come a yard. So we are doing it for the culture, while some people are trying to destabilize dancehall music, which is a part of the culture. We now support that move there. We now support it. At no point in time that move will not be supported. So hear me that's what do. Circle your drawing board, reevaluate yourself, and forward back again. And stop talking about the teacher. And stop talking about the man in my Spain. By the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon. Then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. That's not fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Yeah, man, now move settings from I wanna need a ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours is gonna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.